Make a great choice today with the 2021 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, power passenger seat, backup camera, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.